From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Our radar is looking very busy right now, so we're just going to jump right to it and talk about the storms that are firing right now. You can see many storms are firing across the state, but we're going to focus on the western portion for right now. You can see there's really energetic storms with lightning moving in the southern and western corners of the state. Some of those, if we go a little bit closer, some of those do look like they're going to move into perhaps the western portion of the Treasure Valley. Maybe Nampa will get a glancing blow from that particular storm, and Emmett and the Horseshoe Bend area. They're seeing another storm with lightning move into the area right now. We're also seeing storms in the Central Mountain locations. You can see again, very energetic, lots of lightning in those Central Mountain areas, and they're pushing westward as it go towards McCall and Cascade. Cascade is where the Four Corners fire is burning right now. And so some of these storms may create an outflow boundary, which is just a big gust of wind as a thunderstorm dies, and may potentially fan the flames in that area for the fire. It's not a lot of moisture that we're talking about with these storms, unfortunately, not a lot of moisture. You can see as we look back to the Central Mountain areas, you can see the storms are off in the distance there. This is Redfish Lake near Stanley, so the mountains are going to continue to see some of that moisture as we go throughout the weekend. And so if we look ahead of what specifically we'll see for tonight, you can see some of the stronger storms are confined to the eastern portion of the state, but then another round moves in to the Central Mountain locations, but we get a little bit of a break in the morning hours before another round of showers develops on Saturday, and that's a pattern that we'll continue to see in the Central Mountain areas where we get those afternoon showers for the rest of the weekend. So you can expect that on Saturday, afternoon showers. You can also expect that on Sunday afternoon as well. You can see some of the mountain locations will get more of those showers in the afternoon. Twin Falls, you can expect some more showery conditions tomorrow morning. So there's a lot happening in the mountains this weekend. The smoke will be sticking around. You'll have those showers. Some of those could produce more lightning and become stronger. So just keep that in mind. If you're headed up into that area, Sunday will be warmer. And I mentioned the smoke. You can see a lot of those higher concentrations are confined to the mountain locations. We get a little bit of a break in some of the southern portions. However, as we go into the rest of the weekend, it's going to really depend on what happens with that Four Corners fire. It depends what smoke we might see in the Treasure Valley area. The smoke is affecting air quality in several areas. Still good in the southern portions of the state, though, in Sun Valley and Twin Falls, still good air quality. But those other areas are going to see air quality deteriorate throughout the weekend. You can expect warmer temperatures in the Magic Valley with temperatures in the 80s. Again, we're going to expect those showery conditions to stick around as we go into the evening and then again tomorrow. In the Central Mountains, you'll be looking at the repeated afternoon showers pattern. And also West Central Mountains, again, you'll be dealing with that haze because of that fire and the smoke. The lower Treasure Valley, we're going to expect warmer temperatures tomorrow, very slightly warmer, but very similar to today as well. It's just a tick up from what we saw today. 95 expected for Boise, and those 90-degree temperatures will be sticking around. For the Treasure Valley specifically, we won't see a lot of moisture, but we will be seeing sunshine and hot temperatures. We'll be right back.